Hello students, welcome to Well Explained. Today we are going to start chapter 3 of class 7th science, Fibre to Fabric. Dear students, in this chapter, first of all, we'll have the introduction of the topic, we'll study about wool, wool production, silk and silk production. First of all, students, what is fiber? Thin hair-like strands are called fibers. They can be obtained from natural source or they can be artificially prepared. Natural source you have studied in class 6th about the fibers that you got from plants, and in this class 7th you are going to study about the natural fibers or the fibers obtained from the natural source, that is animal fibers. The plant fibers that you have studied, they were jute and cotton, and in this class you are going to learn about wool and silk. Fibers which are artificially prepared are also known as man-made fibers or synthetic fibers that you are going to study in your class 8. Now, what is the importance of clothes? Why do we wear clothes? Clothes are one of the basic needs of human beings apart from food and shelter. Means जिस तरीके से हमें खाने की ज़रूरत है, रहने के लिए घर की ज़रूरत है, उसी तरीके से हमें clothes यानी कपड़ों की भी ज़रूरत होती है. They not only cover our body but also protect us from the harsh weather conditions, dust and insects bite. Means we wear clothes to cover our body to look smart, but at the same time they protect us from the harsh weather conditions, means too much of heat or too much of cold, dust and insects bite. Also, we wear different clothes on different occasions and according to the climate of the place in which we live. By this point, we mean that for different occasion we wear different clothes, means whenever you come to school you wear uniform, while going to market you wear different types of clothes, and for attending marriage functions or parties you wear different types of clothes. Also, the type of cloth depends on the climate of the place. If you are if you are living on mountains, you will prefer to wear woolen clothes, and if you are living in deserts or Rajasthan or hot places, you prefer to wear cotton clothes. Now, fabrics. Fabric is the thing from which we stitch our clothes, and these fabrics are made from the yarns that are woven or knitted from hair-like strands called fibers. That is why the name of the chapter is from fiber to fabric. Fibers can be natural or artificial, as we have studied earlier. Natural fibers are obtained from plants or animals, and artificial fibers are made by humans. Now, coming to the natural fiber that we get from animals, that is wool. And as I think you all have studied, you all are knowing what is wool. Wool is an animal fiber obtained from the fleece. What is fleece? It is the coat of soft fine hair that covers the body of an animal. जो animal की body के ऊपर जो hairs होते हैं, soft fine hairs, that is known as fleece, and wool is obtained from the fleece of some animals. And as this wool comes to your mind, at once you will say that we get wool from sheep, but it is not so. We are going to study this in the later section. Now, wool fiber, it traps air in the spaces between them. Between wool fibers, there are spaces in which air is filled. उसमें क्या भरी हुई होती है? हवा. And we know air is a bad conductor of heat. Bad conductor of heat means it doesn't allow the heat of our body to come out. That is, this prevents the loss of heat from the body, which helps in keeping the body of these animals warm. Okay. Now, what are the characteristics of a wool fiber? Wool fiber means wool. You have seen wool, but it is in different colors, bright colors, attractive colors. But actually, natural color of wool is creamy white. That means it appears mostly creamy white in color. You have seen sheep. They are mostly white, creamy white in color. There are some pink patches and brownish also. But normally or most of the time it is creamy white in color. Secondly, wool does not wrinkle easily. Wrinkle means सिकुड़ता नहीं है. And it is thirdly, it is durable and elastic. Durable means बहुत मजबूत होता है and it can be stretched to a certain extent. It is a bad conductor of heat, we have studied earlier, and it absorbs moisture to a great extent. Now, coming to the animals that yield wool. I have said, if I ask from you, from where do we get wool? Most of you will answer from sheep. That is, sheep gives us wool, or we get wool from sheep. But there are certain other animals also from which we can get wool. But the main wool yielding animals are sheep. The sheep are the main wool yielding animals, and from sheep we get two types of fibers from the fleece of sheep. One, the coarse rough beard hair. That means जो दाढ़ी वाले बाल होते हैं, they are coarse. Coarse means rough. And second is the soft and fine under hair that usually grows close to the skin. Close to the under hair means near the abdomen, and they are very close to the skin, and this fiber is soft and fine. The fibers for making wool are obtained from the second category, means the soft and fine under hair that usually grows close to the skin. There are many breeds of sheep from which we get wool. Breeds means varieties. Depending on the breed and general conditions of the sheep. General condition means the conditions in which it is living. The characteristics of wool fiber differ. And the best and the finest wool is obtained from the merino sheep. जो सबसे बढ़िया क्वालिटी की जो वूल होती है, जो सबसे उम्दा किस्म की वूल जो होती है, ऊन जो होती है, वो किससे मिलती है? मरीनो sheep. Now the next animal from which we get wool is goat. Wool is also obtained from the underfur of some goats, and the Angora and Kashmir breeds are the ones that yield wool. Not all the goats, सारी goats से हमें wool नहीं मिलती है. कुछ varieties हैं जिनसे हमें wool मिलती है, और वो है Angora and Kashmir breeds. Angora goats are mainly found in Ankara. Ankara in the region of Turkey. Turkey is a country और उसमें Ankara, Angora एक जगह है. वहाँ से Angora goat होती हैं जिनसे हमें wool मिलती है. A very fine, soft and lustrous wool is obtained from Angora goat, which is known as mohair. Mohair is the variety of the wool which we get from the Angora goats. Kashmir goats are mainly found in the mountains of Tibet and China. They produce a very soft and warm wool fiber which is called as cashmere. It is a rare and expensive fiber combed from the bellies of Kashmir goats. Bellies means उसके पेट से जो underfur है, actually that is also मीन्स जो पेट का रीजन होता है वो होता है। ठीक है, तो पहले हमने पढ़ा शीप, मरीनो शीप से फाइनेस्ट वूल मिलती है, फाइन और सॉफ्ट और लशरस वूल मिलती है अंगोरा गोट से जिसका नाम है मोहेर, एंड कैशमेयर गोट से हमें कौन सी वूल मिलती है, कैशमेयर। नाउ द नेक्स्ट एनिमल which gives us wool is camel. Camel is the sheep of desert, we all know, but some varieties of camel also gives us wool. The fleece of camel gives soft, warm and lightweight wool, and the best quality of wool is obtained from Bactrian camel of Siberia, Mongolia and China. Got it? जो कैमल से जो हमें वूल मिलती है, जो बेस्ट क्वालिटी ऑफ वूल कैमल से मिलती है, वो किससे मिलती है, बैक्ट्रियन। दिस इज द वेराइटी ऑफ कैमल दैट इज बैक्ट्रियन कैमल, और ये बैक्ट्रियन कैमल कहाँ पे पाया जाता है, साइबेरिया, मंगोलिया एंड चाइना। Alpaca, vicuna and llama are the animals that belong to the camel family and are mostly found in South America, and we also get wool from these animals, and this wool is also fine, lustrous and lightweight. Got it? So alpaca, vicuna and llama, they three are the animals that belong to the camel family. They're actually not camel, they belong to camel family. They are found in South America, and a very fine, lustrous and lightweight wool is obtained from these animals. Now the last animal in the category of wool yielding animals is rabbit and yak. Rabbit you all know, khargosh. So we also get wool from some species of rabbits. And yak, have you seen yak? Why for yak? Yak is a variety of cow. A very fine silky wool called Angora wool is obtained from the Angora rabbit, and wool is also obtained from the hair on the body of yak, which is a cow species, and this is mostly found in Ladakh and Tibet.